Students, now we will solve examples on ratio and proportion. So first example is, if a as to b is equal to 5 as to 9 and b as to c is equal to 4 as to 7, then find a as to b as to c. Okay, so here we have given a as to b as 5 as to 9 and b as to c as 4 as to 7. Here the b term is common, but what we have to do, we have to keep this b term as same. So in the first ratio the b term is 9, so we have to make the b term in the second ratio 9. So to make it 9, we have to multiply this 4 by 9 by 4. So 4 into 9 by 4 into 7 into 9 by 4. Okay, so it is 9 as to 63 by 4. So the a as to b as to c is 5 as to 9 as to 63 by 4. If we convert it into the complete number, so the LCM is 4. So 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36 and 63. So the A as to B as to C is 20 as to 36 as to 63. Okay. Next is the fourth proportional to 4, 9 and 12. So as we know, fourth proportional is the extreme term. Let the fourth proportional for 4, 9 and 12 is x. So we will write as 4 as to 9 is equal to 12 as to x. So, and as we know the formula that multiplication of the extreme terms is equal to multiplication of the middle term. Okay. So we will write it as 4 into x is equal to 9 into 12. So x is equal to 9 into 12 divided by 4. So it is 27. Okay, so the fourth proportional to 4, 9 and 12 is 27. Second example is third proportional of 16 and 36. So let the third proportional of 16 and 36 be x. Okay, and in the third proportional the second and third term is same. So we will write 16 as to 36 is equal to 36 as to x. And according to the rule and the formula, we will write it as a multiplication of extreme terms is equal to multiplication of middle term. So 16 into x is equal to 36 into 36. So x is equal to 36 into 36 divided by 16. So the middle, so the third proportional for 16 and 36 is 81. Next is the mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18. So the mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18 is square root of 0.08 and 0.18. So we will write it as 8 upon 100, 18 upon 100. So 18 into 8 is 144 and 100 into 100. So 144 is the square of 12. So the answer is 12 upon 100 means 0.12. So the mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18 is 0.12. Next example is, if x as to y is 3 as to 4, find 4x plus y as to 5x minus 2y. We have given x upon y is equal to 3 upon 4. So we will solve it as 4. We will divide this by y. So 4x upon y plus 5x upon y minus 2. So it is 4 upon 3 by 4 plus 5 up into 3 by 4 minus 2. 4 cancel. So it is 3 plus 5. Here it is 7 by 4. So we can, if we solve this, it is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 4s are 32 by 7. Next problem is, divide rupees 672 in the ratio 5 as to 3. Okay, so sum of this ratio is 8. So first part of this 672 is 672 into 5 upon 8, as the sum of this 5 and 3 is 8. So it is 420. Second part of rupees 672 is 672 into 3 by 8. 672 into 3 by 8 is rupees 252. Next is, divide rupees 1162 among A, B, C in the ratio 35 as to 28 as to 20. Similar problem, same to the example of 4. So the addition of this 35 plus 28 plus 20 is 83. Now we will divide this 1162 into ABC as 1162 into 35 first upon 83, so it is 490. B's share is 1162 into 28 upon 83 means rupees 392, and the C share is 1162 into 20 upon 83, so it is 280. Okay. Next, sixth problem is a bag contains 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins in the ratio 5:9:4 amounting to 206, means the total of these coins is 206. So find the number of coins of each type. So let the number of 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins is 5x, 9x and 4x respectively. So we will write the equation 5x upon 2 plus 9x upon 4 plus 4x upon 10 is equal to 206. And if we solve this, the value of the x is 40. Okay, value of the x is 40. So number of 50 paise coin is 5 into 40, 200. Number of 25 paise coins is 9 into 40, 360. And number of 10 paise coins is 4 into 40 is 160. Next is example 7. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. The alcohol is fourth and water is in the third proportional 4:3. So if 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio between become the 4:5. So find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Okay. So let the quantity of alcohol and the water be 4x and 3x. Okay. 4x liters and 3x liters respectively. So we will write the equation 4x upon 3x plus 5 as 5 liter is added. So 4x upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. So by cross multiplication we will solve this. So it is 20x is equal to 4 into 3x plus 5. So it is 8x. 20x minus 12x is 8x. 5 for the 20. So x is equal to 2.5. So quantity of alcohol is 4x. So 4 into 2.5 means it is a 10 liter. Okay. And water is 3x means 3 into 2.5 means 7.5. Okay. So likewise we have to solve the problem on the ratio and proportion. Thank you.